Minnie! Here. Here.
Minnie, leave them alone. Minnie? Get out of there. Those are farm girls' pigs.
Here.
Minnie, stay out.
Come here. Come here. Oh, he's so cute. It's our playpen, guys.
There are 3 girls right there. A black one, and a black and pink, and that one which has more of a black and rust color to its back. It's 3 girls. That one's a boy. It's polka dotted one. So there you go. There's a black girl with a white face, a black and pink girl, a polka dotted boy, and a black and rust or apricot colored girl. What do you think? Are they cute?
So cute.
Minnie?
Look at her. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Minnie?
Oh.
Get out. Get out. We don't need you in there.
Okay. Minnie, no.
Look at Bear. Bear couldn't climb that. His life depended on it.
Hi, Bear.
Do you want to be a little pig, Bear?
Oh, I am a little pig mom. Oh, cute. No pinks. No pinks. You are beautiful.
Well, you have cute little pigs, and you are the prettiest farm girl I've ever seen.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Minnie, get out of there.
Minnie, you're just evil. And I have the perfect pigs. They're the perfect size. I think this one's gonna be the first one.
Whoa.
She can hear my heartbeat. Oh, as I get bit by a mosquito. Ow! She bit me! Come here.
There's nothing more horrifying than a micro pig bite.
I'm not afraid of you. That didn't hurt. Little baby.
Yeah, farm girl's not afraid of you.
Even if she bit my nose, it wouldn't hurt. Ow!
Minnie?
Minnie, no. No. Ow. That is poking my ass. Not cool. Just stay here and relax. There you go. There you go.
What were you doing?
I had to kill that mosquito.
The pig saw you were trying to kill it. Are these fainting pigs?
They're falling pigs.
Hey.
He's learning to wallow.
He wants to take a mud bath, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I see some. Yep, there's 5.
Little guy.
The runt is alive.
Yay. They're so cute. This is the runt?
No, he's under the... I'm coming in
Eating
there.
dirt.
Cute babies.
Oh my gosh. Adorbs.
Yep. Here they come.
Here they come, Minnie.
Oh.
What?
They're so cute.
Oh my god. There's nothing cuter. That's the little guy, right?
Hey, little guys. Yeah, that's the runt right there. Hey, little runt. Hey, runt.
Oh, God, no. Come here.
He's like Orson. Remember Orson used to come to me?
Yeah. Come here.
No, Minnie, stop.
Why are you backing up? Come here.
It's okay, little guy.
Come here.
Minnie, stop it. Stop that. Right through the fence. You see these little guys, they have the run of the farm. And of course, they're not
Out any grass anytime they want.
yeah, and they're not going to go milk gives, right?
That's right.
Right there in those bags, right?
She is shorn.
Yeah. She just lost her. They've all, except for Syl, they've all lost their winter coats. Look at her. Look at Syl. She's got plenty of it left.
Yeah.
You see the little pig fall? This is what they do.
Oh,
what
yeah.
pigs do best.
Oh.
What was that Oh, she couldn't see. She panicked because she got mud in her eye.
Oh.
And she couldn't see.
Ew.
She thought you were trying to jump on her.
Don't worry, Liz. I'm not going to jump on you.
You're
it's hot.
just soaking wet with sweat.
It's so hot. I have dirt everywhere.
All right, let's go get in the air conditionado.
Yeah. Let's go use the shower.
All right. Are you ready to retire, my dear?
I think we shall.
Okay. At the end of another good shooting day.
Got eyes and ears.
Yep. We're gonna have to come pick some okra and zucchini. Pick some zucchini in the bikini.
Where's the fruit, honey?
Just turn it over inside of there. Inside of your bucket.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Just put the tip down in there first. Yep.
Knock it off. Goaty goats?
Yeah. Not too much for them.
That's a lot.
Yeah, they don't need that much. They're not.
Now I gotta do farmer's care. I am gonna get too tired to go.